Kitchen Life Hacks 2025. Smart tricks to make cooking easier and more fun. You don't need a high-tech kitchen to cook like a pro. Just some smart tricks that actually work in 2025. Let's talk about the most practical and surprisingly effective life hacks that can change your daily kitchen routine. First up, the spice drawer transformation. Instead of stacking random jars or digging through a cabinet, organize spices in test tubes or transparent vials laid flat in a drawer with printed labels on the lids. This not only looks sleek, but saves time when cooking. Add a magnetic strip on the side for your most used spices. Efficient, modern, and eye-catching. Let's talk about fresh produce, especially herbs and greens. One of the best ways to keep herbs like cilantro or parsley fresh is to treat them like flowers. Place the stems in a jar of water and cover the tops loosely with a plastic bag. Store in the fridge like a mini herb bouquet. They'll stay crisp for over a week. And if you're tired of soggy greens, line your veggie drawer with paper towels and swap them out every few days. It absorbs moisture and doubles the life of your salad mix. Now, on to food prep time. Ever struggle with slippery cutting boards? Stick a simple sheet of wet paper towel or a silicone baking mat underneath. It'll lock the board in place and save your fingers. Another time saver? Freeze pre-cut veggies and sauces in flat, labeled Ziploc bags. Stack them like books in the freezer for easy grab-and-go meals. Plus, frozen ginger, grated with a microplane, gives you better flavor and zero waste. Let's finish with waste reduction hacks that pay off. Save your citrus peels. Dry them and grind into powder for use in baked goods or DIY cleaners. Coffee grounds can be dried and used as a natural deodorizer in the fridge or under the sink. And for a no-mess compost solution, freeze your food scraps in a sealed container until it's time to toss them into your compost bin. Your kitchen will stay clean, fresh, and eco-friendly without the extra effort